All right, so here we are inside of the discovery page of Jumpspeak, where you're going to find close to 1,000 conversation lessons designed by language experts that we're constantly adding new ones each week. These are fun, modern, relevant topics that you'll actually encounter in real life, from dating to travel to business or career. Using their local slang words, you'll learn how to ask useful questions to keep the conversation flowing and even make jokes with them. You'll see right off the bat that the conversation lessons are designed for really what you'll actually encounter in a real life conversation, which is that you're speaking and you're listening. As you're speaking, that our AI speech recognition will pick up words as you're speaking to let you know which words you said correct and how you can improve for next time. Mucho gusto. ¿Qué casas tienen disponibles?
Tenemos una casa en la
I
playa.
believe that should have said
Está
tiene,
cerca de la universidad.
which is why the answer was only 83%. Let's go through what a immersion mode lesson experience feels like. The way we designed the immersion mode is that we wanted something that can be the closest thing you can experience to having a real human there in a real life conversation. So you'll see here that the lesson is really designed similar to as if you're speaking to someone on a voice call.
Tengo mucha hambre.
Voy a servir la comida.
Por favor, ¿qué hay de comer?
And I think the best part about this is that you can actually make as many mistakes as you want without feeling judged or embarrassed, because there's really no other human there on the other side. And it really gives you the flexibility to learn at your own pace, to practice, to make as many errors as you want, and to improve your confidence with each word that you speak. You'll also find that we have levels that are categorized depending on the proficiency that you have in Spanish. As you progress and complete our levels, we'll upgrade you into new levels, but you can always explore any level that you want at any point. All right, so last but not least, Jumpspeak also provides hundreds of bite-sized theory lessons and academic lessons that will teach you grammar rules, that'll teach you conjugation, basic vocabulary or phrases that are going to be very useful for you when you're speaking Spanish. See, for example, in this case, this is about estar, and all of these are interactive, really meant to help you engage and remember more of the information that you have. So this is obviously around estar conjugation.